Okay, so this is Mom trying to play Mario Kart.
Okay, please don't do that.
She sucks.
Oops. Oh! It died.
It copied you. Oh!
Lap 2.
Out
Not
of
12.
2 out of 3. You need one more.
Ooh.
Mm-mm. Mom, don't quit your day job.
I suppose I can't. Just hit a bat.
What?
I hit a bat. Ninth. I'm about ready to go. Oh, I just got hit by a card of money.
Mom, you can't.
I just ran into it.
You can't control yourself. Like, you're like. Oh my god.
Go, Mario, go. Ooh, hello.
Hi.
I wish I would stop hitting myself.
Oh, hit this. Hit into someone. Look how fast you're going.
Krista, you scared me.
Did I scare you?
I didn't know what I was doing.
You did in the first place.
I'm 4th place. 3rd place.
And you're about to get run over by money.
Why did they do that?
Because the other players are trying to get you to stop.
What was that?
You just crashed. Yeah, Mom, stick that toy out.
Did it say I'm a loser?
Yeah. Mom, how do you feel about losing?
I'm